Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Artifact game token. Ticker symbol is ARTY. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting tomorrow, December 21st, on a very big central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Fast referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Artifact token. Now, Artifact is spelled ARTYFACT, ticker symbol ARTY. Now, this token is on the Binance Smart Chain. Artifact is a next-gen gaming metaverse that combines the latest gaming technologies and innovative GameFi activities. Now, they already have 3,503 holders, so it's a very well-established project already. 6 decimal places on this token and a max total supply of 25 million ARTY tokens. It's a BEP20 token, and this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing December 21st, which is tomorrow at 14 hours UTC time. This token will be listed on MEXC Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an MEXC Global account, I do have an MEXC Global referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that MEXC Global referral code down there. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search ARTY, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their official webpage is artifact.game. If you go over there, you could find a full white paper. You could also find their socials. They have a Twitter or an x.com that I'm going to put up right here as usual. Now, this Twitter, like I said, it's a very well-established project. 236,200 Twitter followers at Artifact_game, and Artifact is always going to be spelled with a Y, of course. Gold verified checkmark, 80 tweets. It says they are also followed by Gate, and they're also getting an OKX listing, it says as well. So they're getting all these brand new listings here. And then they have the Telegram, which has 116,482 followers on it. Doing very well across the board here. At Artifact Group on Telegram. So follow the Twitter, follow the Telegram for more info. On their webpage too, they have tons more socials. You can find the white paper, a Launchpad, X, 2 different Twitters, Instagram, Discord, Facebook, Medium articles. There's NFT section, game section, old Launchpad section. There's section about specifically about the token. So ARTY is the native deflationary cryptocurrency and governance token of the Artifact ecosystem. The integrated play and earn solutions maintain a constant demand for the ARTY token, which continuously stimulates the growth of its value. So in a nutshell, that's what the token is all about here. Now their white paper, pretty lengthy, 24 pages long. They're partnered with Binance Smart Chain and Unreal Engine. So obviously they're going to use the Unreal Engine in their GameFi. So gamers make up almost 1/3 of the world's population today. And now we have GameFi, we have play to earn games. cooler graphics these days as well. They show you how the market has increased, in blockchain and gaming and play-to-earn games, all this stuff. So Artifact is the virtual world where players can find entertainment for every taste using the Arty token, the platform's utility token. Artifact citizens are able to play various AAA quality GameFi games and earn Arty tokens, buy and trade NFTs such as avatars, weapon skins, virtual estate, clothes, as well as attend virtual concerts, NFT exhibitions, runaway shows, and other events. While Play to Earn was just the first Web3 economic model to have gained traction within GameFi, this model has been perhaps far too focused on building the gamer's base, which is considered the supply side of GameFi. However, the demand side that keeps the economy balanced hasn't scaled fast enough. So our mission is to create the first metaverse game that will be truly interesting to the average gamer. We will do this by combining the best of the AAA GameFi games and creating a virtual world with an innovative play-to-earn model where anyone can play, earn, trade, and exhibit NFTs and just have fun. Our vision is to become the top 5 GameFi games of 2023 and expand our metaverse for a decade. With Artifact, we are aiming to disrupt the existing GameFi games like The Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, by providing gamers with AAA level experiences and opportunities that games based on an outdated play-to-earn model cannot give. So the next phase of Web3 with the play-to-earn, tradable tokens, in-game currency, NFTs for virtual goods, ownership, focus on earning money, high-quality graphics, virtual goods or NFTs and transferable, basically the best of both worlds. So they go over the whole revolution of GameFi on their white paper. They're using Unreal Engine 5, GameFi games, virtual billboards, NFTs, Web3, Metaverse, and Binance Chain. So they show basically, the legendary characters, the armored vehicles, the sneakers, jetpacks, unique weapons, abilities, unique game modes, the advantages. They go through all of this stuff on their white paper. If you want to learn more, go over to artifact.game. And like I said, this token is being listed tomorrow on a very big central exchange called MEXC Global. So if you don't have an MEXC Global account, check out all the referral codes down there in the description box. Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info is. And leave a comment down there. What do you guys think about the Artifact token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.